YouTube. We're down in Toronto for the first night. This is our first video out here. Here, look. There's a bus. You guys look behind, and the bus behind there. So this is our first night in Toronto for our first video, so just so y'all know. And up here, and we're finally up here. Yep. Look how nice it is. So we're first night up here in this in Toronto, Ontario. This is our first night. And yeah, I'm hoping that I could start a video like these. I'm hoping that I could start making videos like this again. So yeah, so I'll know. This is where I'm moving. It's beautiful out there, and see the dark light over there. To be honest, it's dark, and yeah, so it's our first night video. I'm hoping that y'all can see this video, okay? And yeah, so I just do a little new room tour, so I'm gonna show you guys around here. So the phone, and this is a fan, and then I'm gonna show you guys some other stuff. Here's another fan, desk, tissue. Here is the TV. You guys looking right here. This is a new mirror. This is the boat with these lights, and the bed I found. And then, yeah, this is the closet. This is the closet. And yeah, so this is all of my video. Yeah, so bye everyone. Hope you all have a good night.